In this video, I'm going to discuss another question from IIT JAM BT 2014, and this question is on NMR. And it says there are four compounds given here as A, B, C, D, and we have to find which one of these compounds have lowest delta value. And delta value means simply chemical shift. What is chemical shift? Chemical shift is simply how our sample peak is deviated from the reference peak. That means the TMS reference peak. How much our sample peak is deviated from the TMS reference peak would give us the measure for the delta value. Now for this kind of question, our approach should be to find the de-shielded condition around the hydrogens. So for these all four compounds, we would get a single peak in the NMR proton NMR spectra. So if we analyze this first compound, there are two chlorines and two hydrogens. So 2 chlorine would pull the electron density of the Cl bond towards itself. So around this hydrogen there would be a de-shielded environment, and this de-shielded environment is very high. When there is a high de-shielded environment, so as a rule of thumb we could remember that when there is a de-shielded environment, then the delta value, that means the chemical shift, would be very high, because those peaks would be downfield towards the TMS reference. Now if we analyze the second compound, there are 3 chlorine atoms, so the electron density is even more pulled towards itself. So around this hydrogen there is a de-shielded environment, and this is the highest de-shielded environment among these 4 compounds. So here the delta value, that means the chemical shift, would be even higher. Now if we come to the compound C and compound D, we would see both have one chlorine atom and another have another iodine atom, and rest both of them have 3 hydrogen atom. And now as iodine has less electronegativity than chlorine atom, then these electron density would be less pulled towards iodine than in chlorine. So this compound depicted in D has the lowest delta value, as it has less de-shielded environment. So for solving this question, we just have to understand that lesser the de-shielded condition, greater would be the delta value, that means the chemical shift, and more the de-shielded condition, more downfield would be the peak and greater would be the chemical shift. Hope this helped you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.